With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question and the question says, in the figure, a conducting rod of length 1 meter and mass 1 kg moves with initial velocity u, that is 5 meter per second, on a fixed horizontal frame containing inductor L equals 2 Henry and resistance of 1 ohm. PQ and MN are smooth conducting wires. There is a uniform magnetic B, that is 1 Tesla. Right? Initially, there is no current in the inductor. Find the total charge in coulomb flown through the inductor by the time velocity of rod becomes 1 meter per second and the rod has traveled a distance of 3 meters. Right? So when it has traveled a distance x here, so it would somewhere be here. Right? This has traveled distance x here. Correct? So this would be here somewhere. So what we could say is that the current passing through this would be I1 here and I2 here. And there is a total current through this would be I. So we can say that applying Kirchhoff's current loop rule, I would be equal to I1 plus I2. Right? So from here, what we can say is that I2 would be equal to BLV by R, which is equal to, so from here what we can say is that BLV would be equal to I2 into R, right? That would be the EMF. So the EMF generated would be equal to the inductance generated, that is LdI1 by dt, right? So since what we can say from here is that here there would be a force here, that is ILB in this direction, right? And the velocity is in this direction, correct? So what we could say from here is that there would be a pseudo force, that is m dv by dt, that would be equal to minus ILB, which is equal to minus I1 plus BLV by R into LB. Since this is the I2 and this is the I1, that is the summation of the total current I and into LB here. So from here what we could say is that here it would be m integration of dv would be equal to IB integration of I1 dt, right, minus b square L square by R into integration of v dt, right? So now from here we can say that this term would be m from u to vf, the final velocity, right? So it would be vf minus u, that is equal to minus IBQ, the charge, minus b square L square by R into the distance traveled x, right? So from here q can be written as minus b square L square by R into x minus m into vf minus vu by IB, sorry, LB. This is LB, right? So from here when we substitute all the values here, that is B is 1 Tesla, so it would be minus 1 square into L. The length is given as 1 meters, right? So it is 1 square into x is 3 meters. The distance traveled is 3 divided by R. So the resistance is 1 ohms minus mass. M is given as 1 kg into Vf. Vf is given as 1 meter per second and initial was 5 meter. So it is 1 minus 5 whole divided by L, that is 1 into 1 here. right? So this would turn out to be equal to minus 3 plus 4 divided by 1. So that is equal to, it would be minus, yeah. So it would be equal to 1 coulomb. That is the amount of charge here, right? That is the amount of total charge flowing through the rod. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.